If you live in Blacklick, Ohio, and you're thinking about downsizing or looking to downsize, or if you have a house in Blacklick, Ohio, and you're wanting to downsize at some point in the future, this video is for you. My name is Dave Payerchin with Sell House Columbus, and for over 14 years, we've been working with people in Blacklick, Ohio, and residents and home sellers in Blacklick. And the reason people like working with us is we're very convenient, very easy to work with, but we're also very fair. And this is important to talk about. We get a lot of calls every month, and a large percentage of these calls is people just like you who are downsizing. So we know if you're downsizing, you're not looking to give the house away. You're not in a position where you got a fire sale. You're not desperate. We understand that wholeheartedly. So we're going to treat you fair, and we're going to buy the house in its as-is condition. This is the easy button. So you don't need to fix anything. You don't need to clean anything or haul anything away. And we're not relying on a lender. So since we're a true cash buyer and a true cash purchase going to happen for your Blacklick house, we don't need to rely on a bank. That's like a traditional type of buyer who might be working with a realtor. And if they're working with a realtor, you got to pay them commissions if you're the seller of the house. There's no commissions or fees with us. So we're not relying on this bank to approve an appraisal and send the appraisal through your Blacklick house now. Send the inspector through, have an open house. It's all of these hoops that need to get jumped through are removed when you give us a call here at Sell House Columbus. We're very experienced at working with sellers who are downsizing in Blacklick, Ohio. And give us a call. Let's at least explore options together and see what we could do here. Our number is 614-300-5151. Our website is sellhousecolumbus.com. We have hundreds of reviews, testimonials, and positive references for you. Been around a long time. We're going to treat you fair, treat you like a neighbor, because we are a neighbor. In fact, I'm right down the street from you. I personally live right down the street from Blacklick, Ohio. I'm in Gahanna, Ohio. I'll just tell you. So we're neighbors. We're going to treat you fairly, and we look forward to that opportunity. So our number, once again, is 614-300-5151. Our website is sellhousecolumbus.com. We're going to make you a fair cash offer on the house. If our offer works for you, great. If it doesn't, there's no added pressure or obligations or awkwardness. You know, we're not going to hound you here or anything like that. We're going to treat you well. So my name is Dave Payerchin. I look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.